Welcome to the stroller plan from Moby First Personal. The site is free for you to play with. Learn about the system and get comfortable with how powerful the Moby First Personal website construction platform can be, even for people who have never tried to build a website before. You've been given a single website page. It is free for life. Whatever you build here can be used for as long as you wish, since all our plans include both the site creation platform and hosting. Once you build your site, you can see it on the information highway immediately. Even better, you're on the internet for life. When you create your account and log in the first time, you will be shown the terms of service for this site. We suggest you read this document and ensure that you understand that these sites are for your personal use, but want to stress Section 6, where you agree the rights to the website and content. The client understands and agrees that all information, data, text, software, music, sound, photographs, graphics, videos, messages, or other materials as content are the sole responsibility of the person from which such content originated. Moby First Personal reserves the right, but shall have no obligation to pre-screen, refuse, or move any content available via the services. The client agrees that the client is responsible for the client's own conduct, and any content that the client creates, transmits, or displays while using the services and for any consequences thereof. The client agrees to use the services only for the purposes that are legal, proper, and in accordance with the terms of service and any applicable policies or guidelines or law in force, and not use any pirated content. The client agrees that the client will not engage in any activity that interferes with or disrupts the services or servers or networks connected to the services. Moby First Personal claims no ownership or control over any content submitted, posted, or displayed by the client on or through the services and shall not be liable for the same. The client or third-party licensor, as appropriate, retains all patents, trademarks, and copyright to any content the client submits, posts, or displays on or through the services. The client is solely responsible for protecting those rights as appropriate. Please also familiar yourself with Section 7 as well. Once you have scrolled down the page to the bottom and clicked OK, the screen will clear to show that your working desktop.